Radiant Realty, your Montana realtor. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and stay a while, and don't be shy. I love reading your comments and answering any questions that you might have. So I recently needed to go to Libby for work, and I thought it would be fun to do a Montana city moving guide for Libby. I've done it for all of the Flathead County major cities, but I haven't really extended beyond that. So today, let's just check out the city of Libby and see what it has to offer. If you do find anything in here helpful or useful, please do give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. And of course, if you are looking to buy or sell a property or home here in Montana, definitely reach out. I would love to hear more about your needs. All right, let's go check out Libby. Libby is a small town in northwestern Montana. The population was just under 3,000 in 2020 for the census. It is about an hour and a half northwest of Kalispell, Montana, and might be a great option if you feel like Kalispell, Whitefish, Flathead County is getting a little bit overpopulated and too busy for your liking. And if you or your kids are into sports, J. Neal's Memorial County Park is a great racehorse for the city. It has baseball diamonds, basketball courts, 2 soccer fields, a frisbee golf course, walking path, hiking, picnic areas, horseshoe pits, a fun playground for the kiddos, and then it also has a rodeo arena and a kind of concert stage. So definitely that one is located just north of the river from downtown Libby. In addition to Riverfront Park, located right next to downtown, Libby has so many recreational opportunities to explore. The Cabinet Mountain Wilderness has 95,000 acres of trails to wander. There are plenty of ATV or cycling trails around the Forest Service land. Kootenai Falls, plenty of opportunities for fishing, hiking, biking. Turner Mountain for skiing, and the list goes on and on. So Turner Ski Mountain is a smaller ski mountain just outside of Libby, and it has wonderful prices. So for an adult, for a full day, it's $42. You can do a family season pass for $1,400. That's 2 adults, 2 children. For teenagers, it's $30 for a day. Juniors, $25 for a day. They also have the 5th grade passport program where the 5th graders ski free, which is amazing. And then there's also something unique to Turner Mountain. You can rent out the whole mountain for yourself and your family or your friends or whatever it is. So it's a pretty cool program. And as far as medical care goes in Libby, Montana, there is Cabinet Peaks Medical Center, fairly new facility, very nice looking. It's a 25-bed critical access hospital with services and technology. So that is a good option. Also in my downtown walking tour, I saw quite a few options for in-home care, roll-away beds, some assistive devices, and some things like that. So definitely some opportunities for care there in Libby as well. Libby is a small city, but it does have 2 grocery store options, an Ace Hardware, a couple fast food options, chains like Subway, Pizza Hut, McDonald's, and then some unique to Libby cafes and restaurants and breweries as well. If you would like to see more of the downtown strip, I did do just a walking tour where I just walk down Mineral Avenue, and you can check that out. I'll link that at the end of this video as well. Libby Public Schools has Libby Elementary and Libby Middle High School. It also says on their school district website that they provide a pre-kindergarten, which is free, a free public preschool program for all 4-year-olds in the community. So that's really nice. If you head on over to greatschools.org, you can kind of see the ratings for those schools. Again, ratings don't encompass everything about school culture. It's just kind of the test scores, academic progress, things like that, teacher-student ratio. But for Libby Elementary School, it looks like they're currently at a 7 out of 10 for the rating. For Libby Middle School, it's a 5 out of 10. And then for Libby High School, it is a 5 out of 10 as well. So you can look further into those. And so as far as public transportation goes, it's fairly much non-existent in Libby, so you will need your own vehicle or transportation method. There is the train that goes in there. I did show you the train station, and you could catch that from Whitefish, Montana, here in Flathead County, and go through Libby on your way over to Spokane. There is also a small private airport, so if you have your own plane or another means to land there, you can, but it's not commercial. So if you wanted to fly commercially, your nearest airport is probably an hour and a half, 2 hours away. All right, I hope you enjoyed that city moving guide. I hope it was helpful. If you have additional questions or comments or insights, leave them below. I would love to hear about them. Do hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos drop. Have an amazing week, and I will see you all next time.